She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
So listen, I done broke a couple rules right here because I did a protein treatment, I deep conditioned, I was loving on my hair so hard, and then I got tired and I let my hair dry with no product in it. Am I ashamed? No, because we all falter at times, okay? Not perfect. And to be fair, I had just finished doing a protein treatment and deep conditioning, so I was loving on my hair extra hard. So maybe I fell a little short, but not too short. But moral of the story today is that I'm going to be styling my hair, finally. I'm ashamed to say this is like day 3 with no product in my hair, but I will be styling, okay? And since I already deep conditioned and did all of that jazz, I'm not even gonna bother with that process. I'm just gonna wet my hair and I will come back when my hair is nice and wet and we can begin the styling process so I can, you know, I don't know, make some shake. All right, you guys, I'm back. My hair is wet and today I'm doing something a little different. I'm gonna be trying a GLAMTWINZ curly hair routine, but more specifically, this is Kelsey's hair routine. So I will have her channel down below if you guys have not heard about the GLAMTWINZ. They are one of the OGs. I'm gonna give it a go and we're gonna see how it goes. I think I should be fine, but there's really only one way to find out. But you guys should go ahead and comment down below and let me know how you think this wash and go is going to turn out, and don't cheat because I'm watching. Let's get into it. This has aloe vera in it and I'm just gonna really soak my hair with it. So the products they use I've never tried before. The first one is Multicultural Curls and I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. But I've never tried it before. I did just try and do a little mini review on the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and I will have that linked up there if you guys want to check it out. But I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. Like, I'm starting off with this, not a leave-in, but this, which is new because I'm usually using a leave-in, because I'm always using a leave-in. I feel like I'm gonna need a lot of it. It smells good and it's soft in my hair, like it's running through it. I'm just so used to a leave-in. Okay, that's just with Multicultural Curls, and that's with no product. So I'm just gonna finish applying this product to the rest of my hair and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like when the product is all applied. Wow, so I wasn't expecting this, but this is definitely giving me leave-in vibes. Like, the slip. Yeah, okay. Shook. Definitely caught slightly off guard because it's not really a leave-in, but this leave-in material is doing leave-in work. So, woo, continuing on.
How you get so fly?
So I just finished applying the Multicultural Curls to my hair and it took a while to work in. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But once I did work it in, it really did leave like a leave-in consistency. It was able to define my curls really well while also leaving my hair very soft and moisturized. So I'm cool with that, but I'm not done yet. I honestly think that this would be a good one product wash and go for you guys that don't really like gel. But Kelsey used a gel, and she used a Spiralicious Styling Gel by Jessie Curl. And like I said, both of these products I'm trying for the very first time. So far so good, but we're gonna see what this gel has to offer. I've heard good things about this gel, so I'm excited to try it out. I like the scent. It's citrusy. What is the... Oh, it's called Citrus Lavender, and it really does have a citrus lavender smell to it. Y'all already know I'm heavy-handed because I like to make sure my products are evenly distributed, and I'm high porosity, so my hair soaks up any type of moisture it's dealing with any type of product, so I use more. So I'm going to continue with the rest of my hair like I did last time and come back when that's done. Okay, so I have the two products applied to my hair, and this is all she uses, and I can definitely see why, because it's got my curl definition on 10. And with that gel product, a little goes a long way. I was very heavy-handed like always, but I feel like I could have used less and I still would be fine. Okay, so if you watch Kelsey's tutorials, then you know that she usually gets a gel cast and she just scrunches it out when her hair is dry. So I am expecting to have a gel cast. I'm okay with it, that's what I'm expecting, but I really want to see what my end results are going to look like. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer until my hair is decently dry, and then I'll probably diffuse and I'll come back and show you guys my final results. So these are my results and definition. The cast was broken when I was diffusing, so I have no issues about like the crunch or anything like that because what crunch? And it's super soft. Okay, Glam Twins. Specifically Kelsey, you did that. And as you can guess, we don't have any flakes. It's litty, it's litty, it's litty, it's litty. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my results. Is it more defined than normal? Did you notice a difference from my normal wash and goes? Tell me what you're thinking. But yes, this is definitely a success, and I feel it in my bones that it's gonna last me a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I like it. I really, really like it. Adore it. Now come let me, come let me, now come let me enjoy it. Too much. Too much.